Greetings everyone. In this video, we are discussing a short press statement by South African Cabinet. It was issued on the 13th of March 2024. It says Immigration Amendment Bill of 2023 1.1. Cabinet approved the submission of the Immigration Amendment Bill of 2023 to Parliament. The purpose of the bill is to give effect to the Constitutional Court's judgment delivered on 29 June 2017 and 30 October 2023 respectively. 1.2. The bill seeks to address the two Constitutional Court judgments by amending Section 34, bracket 1, bracket B, and bracket D of the Principal Act, so as to ensure that any illegal foreigner detained under Section 34, bracket 1 of the Principal Act is brought before court in person within 48 hours from the time of his or her arrest, in order for the court to determine whether it is in the interest of justice to order further detention for purposes of deportation. 1.3. The bill addresses the interest of justice criterion to be applied by the immigration officer and the court. That is the end of the statement. We are, of course, worried by the arrest by the police of ZEP holders who end up being kept in police cells. In some cases, a person gets arrested on a Friday, only released on a Monday. These people are holders of ZEP. Their permits are legal. So it's a worry that some police officers will argue that the sticker, because it says it is expired, therefore the permit expired. People cannot go carrying around the directive 4, which was issued by the Minister, Directive 4 of 2023. We expect that law enforcement agencies will be aware of the extension of the Zimbabwe exemption permits to avoid having a situation where people end up sleeping in cells, skipping to go to work, not because of their own making, but just because they've been arrested by an officer who seem not to be knowledgeable about the Zimbabwe exemption permits. Also, we are worried by the delays in the issuing of waivers. We have been communicating with the Department of Home Affairs. So far, we're not getting the response that we need. People that applied in 2002, 2003 are yet to receive their waivers. The majority of them. This is a great concern because it raises a number of uncertainties, because some companies insist that they need proof of a visa, not a receipt. They have given a number of workers who are holders of Zimbabwe exemption permits deadlines to say, if you can't produce a work permit by this date, we are going to suspend you at work. And this is very unfair because the directive is very clear. So we hope that the Department of Home Affairs will speed up the process of adjudicating the waiver application so that people move to other visas. One comrade then wrote to me, he says, I quote, "Hi brother, I think the ZEP waivers are delayed deliberately. I have a guy who applied for a critical skills permit on 16 February. On 13th March it was out, but is taking years. Why? Because if someone applied in February 2022 and up to now is not out the waiver, it's so frustrating. So we hope that the Department of Home Affairs will speed up the process so that people do move to other visas. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok, please do follow us. Otherwise, have a great day. Good.